Hi guys, so just to check your work, this is something we will do in huge depth in 411. Hold on a second, let me get that going. Um, but I want to show it to you right now so you can test your stuff. So let's say your arm it needs to bend this way. Remember, with arms and legs and finger that needs to bend, you need to give it an initial angle. Maya needs to understand how it's gonna bend. You see right here, there's an initial angle right there. It knows it's gonna bend this way. Right here, there's an initial angle. It knows it's gonna bend this way. That's why your picture needs to be taken that way. I discussed that in the picture taking previously. Okay? Lecture, but we're going to put bones to see how it works and skin it quickly. So we're going to go to the shading right here and go X-ray joint. We're going to switch from modeling to rigging. We're going to go to skeleton and we're going to click on create joint, and we're going to simple put one joint by clicking right here, dragging right in the middle where the bend is. That's the second one, and just right here, that's the third one right there. That's it. Make sure you're also on wireframe unshaded so you can see where it's located. It's located fine. And you will see that it's not in it. So you just select the first joint, the root, and move it in the middle just like that. Alright, when you're in the middle, you're good to go. Alright. Now that we've done that, we're going to select the first joint and only that one, that's all we need. And we are going to go to skin and just click on bind skin. That's it. Oh, sorry, I didn't select the skin. So select the first joint, I apologize. Select the skin and click on skin. Alright, bind skin right here. Okay, now if you select a joint like this one right here, don't move it. Use the rotate tool and rotate it. It should deform your mesh. Alright, and that one looks pretty good. Alright, we're just testing the elbow because you see the pinching is good right here and the stretching is pretty good right there. It's not too pinch inside it. Okay, let me undo all that. Just a second. Okay, so let's do it and let's put a bone into our model to test it. This is what we'll do in 411. As I said, we just done that, but this time we're going to do it without those edges. So double click on that one to get it appear, fully selected, go to the edit mesh, and in the edges select delete edge. We're going to delete that one also, and that one right here. So now we just have a regular ways, let's show you the difference. So now go back to the rigging, select the skeleton, create joints, 1, 2 right on it, 3 right there. Okay, now select the skin and go to skin, bind skin right here. Now let's test that right here. You see now right there, you see how it's twisting? It's just not there. It looks awful, frankly. All right, you guys. So that's one of the main reason. Okay, it will look so much better when you do that, as you can understand now. Okay, thank you, and have a good one, you guys. Start early as usual. Post early on the forum, so I can do some, so I can look at it with you, and we can, do some constructive criticism and get it better. Thank you. Have a good one, guys.